Good morning, students. I think all of you are very fine today. Dear students, today we are going to learn very important topic of writing section, that is article writing. Dear students, writing is not an easy task. Before we attempt article writing, we must know what is an article writing, how to write an article. An article is a piece of writing intended for publication in a newspaper, magazine. It presents balanced idea, suggestions, advice from writer's part. We write generally article for two purpose. We write for magazine as well as for newspapers. Now, what is the purpose of writing an article? What should it do? It describes event, person, place based on a topic of common interest. It offers suggestion as well as advice also. You must know how to write an article. There is a proper format. It must have a heading, introduction, content, conclusion, and of course, fine expression. Now, dear students, an article should consist of eye-catching title, an introduction, the main body, descriptive paragraph, and writer's final opinion, what we call it conclusion. Remember, where is the article going to appear? In a newspaper and magazine. You must take care of it. What is the aim of article? To advise, suggest, inform, compare, contrast, describe. Now, how to make your article lively, addressing the readers directly. More and more people attend university through questions. You can use some rhetorical questions to make your writing lively. Now, there are some tips. You go through it and keep in your mind before attempting article writing. Of course, I have decided to take some examples from newspaper cuttings. These are the fine examples of article writing. One is based on anti-child labor, cells need support, whereas I have selected other one is from newspaper also, ban or no ban, they are laboring on. It will give you a hint how to write, how to plan your writing for article. Now, questions like this will be asked in your examinations for article writing, and this article writing has been attempted by a student of Kendriya Vidyalaya. You can go through the questions as well as her write-ups highlighting the advantage of co-education. If you go through this article, you will find the balance view has been included in this article, so I have selected it to give you basic mantra of how to write an article. Now, what is important? As I told you, writing task is a matter of day-to-day practice. So here I have included one worksheet. You can go and do practice of writing article. But what is most important, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.